This kicks. Done deal. Hey guys, this is Joe Tech from JoeteckTips on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, and today I'm doing something a little bit different. We're going to be reviewing and showing off two incredible chargers. This is a 20-watt charger, okay? Does 5 volts at 3 amps or 9 volts at 2.22 amps. All right, so this is a 20-watt charger. 15 watts at 5 volts, 20 watts at 9. And this is a fast charger. Type C. So you can get any type of cable. I'll have a link in the description below to purchase this. This is a 2-pack. All right. This is worth every penny that you, if you're looking for a good high quality charger, this is the one to get. Do not look at anything else but this particular charger. Look at the size of this thing. This is the Mini PowerPort 3 Mini. It is super incredibly small and does incredible output power. This does fast charging. Now we go to the bigger brother. This is a super fast charger, okay? So if your device can handle super fast charging like my Note 20 Ultra, it is absolutely incredible. I had my phone down to like 47%. I plugged this bad boy in. It said it was going to take a half an hour to charge it, or 31 minutes, whatever. That's ridiculously quick. I've never seen that. So this is 25 watts, okay? The PowerPort 3 25 watt has 4 output modes. 5 volts at 3 amps, 15 watts. 9 volts at 2.8 amps, 25.2 watts. So it's actually a little bit stronger. PPS 3.3 to 5.9 volts at 3 amps, which is 17.7 watts. And 3.3 to 11 volts at 2.25 amps. Now, the maximum that this can actually do is just about 25 watts, actually a little bit over, 25.2. It works really well. Incredible, incredible product, folks. Incredible. I can't say enough. I bought both of them. I couldn't believe it. I said, you know what the hell? Let me go for it, and I'm going to buy more. These are the best things I've ever seen. I'll have a link in the description below to purchase both of these. This is a 2-pack. This is a single pack. This will be getting the JoeteckTips Instant Awesome rating, hands down, because of the quality and workmanship of this product. This is worth it. I've never seen anything like this before. I've bought chargers before. This kicks ass. Done deal. Now what's really nice about this, the ultra fast charger, super fast charger, is that is backward compatible with anything you have. So I will also have a link in the description below to buy cables as well. So you go from Type C to Lightning, which I have. You go Type C to Type C, Type C to micro USB, whichever. But your device, remember, your device will need to support super fast charging in order to take advantage of this. However, it's backward compatible with lower technology. 5 volts up to 3 amps, which is 15 watts. That's impressive. All right. So these are the chargers to get. I've spoke enough about it. I'm extremely excited about it because I can't believe how much it freaking kicks ass. It charges my I have a GoPro. It charged my GoPro batteries in an hour. An hour. I couldn't believe it. I was like, actually less than that because they're already done. So I plugged them in and it was like 45 minutes later, they're already finished. I was very, so anything that has a Type C, anything you have, anything, could be a battery bank for that matter. This will kick some major ass and charge it really, really fast. Anyway, guys, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. And if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. Take care, and we'll see you next time.